Hello, this is Dr. Celine Lee at Lotus Rheumatology Clinic. I just decided to do a quick video today to talk about an accumulator policy. I just noticed that some of my patients have changed in their insurance from next year, and some of them find out they have something called accumulator policy. This accumulator policy is about copay saving card. As you know, many rheumatism medications are expensive, and copay saving cards are designed to help patients to pay for the copayment. Some of the rheumatism medication can be as high as several $1,000s, so even the small portion of copay can be more than $1,000 or even close to $2,000 per month. Copay of the biologic medications can be even more expensive than the person's monthly mortgage payment. However, with copay saving cards help, you can pay only a small amount and the rest of it can be paid by the copay saving card, and this is how copay saving card is supposed to work. Without an accumulator policy, the money that you pay through the copay saving card counts toward your deductible. So after a few months of paying for the medication, your deductible will be met, and afterwards, your insurance can pay the rest of the medication throughout the year. However, if you have an accumulated policy, it means that the money that you pay through your copay saving card will not count to your deductible. So once the copay saving card money is exhausted, it means that you need to pay the copay out of your pocket until you meet the deductible. Because the copay can be as high as more than $1,000, even close to $2,000 per month, it means that you may have to pay like $2,000 per month until you meet the deductible. And many people have high deductible plan, and the deductible can be as high as like $8,000. So how will you be able to pay $2,000 every month until $8,000 is met? It's a lot of money. And some patients may not be able to afford the copayment and may not be able to continue the medication, and then their disease will get worse, which is not a good situation. Because of this, on September 29 this year, the federal court ruled that accumulated policy can be only applied to medicines that have generic alternatives and only if the state law allows it. A lot of rheumatology medications that have copay saving cards are the ones that don't have generic alternatives, so this will help our patient a lot. However, it may differ by the state, so it's always a good idea to call your insurance company and confirm if you have accumulator policy or not, and if it will impact your rheumatology medication. As of summer of 2023, 19 states banned accumulator policy from their state. In Utah, there was a bill to ban accumulator policy, and this bill was on the House floor in February 2023, but it was not able to pass at the time and it's currently on hold. So again, I encourage you to call your insurance company and ask them if you have accumulator policy or not, and then you can be prepared for it. If you have an accumulator policy, then the way you pay for the copay should be a little bit different. For example, without accumulator policy, you're able to use the copay saving card directly, but if you have an accumulator policy, then you may need to pay for it yourself out of your pocket initially, and then get the money reimbursed afterwards from the copay saving program. This can be different according to different pharmaceutical companies' copay programs. So the best way to confirm is to call the copay saving program and ask them how you need to pay for the copay if you have an accumulator policy. And then you need to follow their instruction. Again, summary for today, please call your insurance company and ask them whether or not you have an accumulator policy next year. If you do, then please call your copay saving program and confirm how you can use copay program correctly so that you don't have to pay the whole amount yourself. With many pharmaceutical companies' copay saving program, they usually reimburse the money that you have paid out of your pocket after you submit the receipt. So instead of using the copay saving card directly, you can pay the copay for the drug yourself using your own credit card or your own money, and then get that money reimbursed from the copay saving program. Okay, I hope that this was helpful for you. This is an enrollment period right now, so it's a good idea to check with your insurance company. And if you are comparing some insurance product, maybe you can choose the one that don't have accumulated policy if you can. Okay, this is for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll come back with another video. Thank you.